Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on an Echo Dot. This will be a full tutorial, but also a very simplistic and easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Okay, first and foremost, the first thing that you need to do is plug it in. So we have a plug right here, okay? On one end of the plug, and this came with the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. So on one end of the plug is what you plug into your wall outlet, and the other end is what plugs into the actual Echo Dot. Now you'll notice that there are two ports on the back. This one right here is not the one that you use. You want to use this one over here, okay? Now there's no labels that I can see, but essentially it should only fit into one of them anyways, but this is for, it looks like your auxiliary, and this would be for the power. I mean, if you look at the shape of the plug, it kind of makes sense, the one that you need to use, okay? So we're gonna plug that in like that. Make sure it's nicely inserted, just so you're making a good connection, and then you're gonna plug this into the wall outlet. So I'm gonna just angle this upwards. This is gonna go into the wall outlet just like that, and you're probably looking for a switch somewhere to turn it on, but there's no switch because it's on right now. So literally to turn it on, you just plug it in, okay? And what you're gonna do now, the blue light's gonna illuminate, which means like it's starting up and you can see it spinning around. When the blue light turns off, then you're good to go. Then you know it's on and it's ready to be used. So if you're trying to use it now, it probably won't work properly because it's got to boot up, okay? But essentially, if you're looking for a switch, you might be looking around for a switch to turn it on or off, and you're not gonna find that switch because it doesn't have one. When you plug it in, it turns on. It's that simple. If it's not turning on when you plug it in, that's a whole different thing, and I'll probably do a separate video on that. But the first thing you want to check is make sure that that outlet has power going to it, obviously. And then you also want to make sure that the cord is fine, and make sure that it's plugged in properly, that it's nicely and fully inserted, okay? That's it. And as you can see, it's on, it's ready to go. The reason that the red light is on is because I have my microphone muted over there, just so it's clear. But once that blue light either turns off or changes to a different color, you should be good to go. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.